There are plenty of freelancers on websites like Fiverr and Upwork who are making tens of thousands of dollars per month selling their services. But get this, there's a way you can also make this kind of money selling freelance services, but without having to do any of the work yourself. Talk about an amazing side hustle with huge earning potential. Sound too good to be true? Pay attention because I'm going to show you how this is not only possible, but actually very simple. Picture yourself running a profitable venture from the comfort of your home with the flexibility to set your own hours and the potential to scale your earnings exponentially. This isn't a fantasy or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a legitimate business model that savvy entrepreneurs are using to achieve financial independence and freedom. It's absolutely possible to make money online easily without needing any special knowledge or skills. In this video, I will tell you about this simple, incredible method that allows you to offer high-demand freelancing services to clients around the world without actually performing the work yourself. I will go step by step into how to start a business like this with very little effort. If this sounds good to you, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of my new videos. So let's talk about how you can build a thriving business catering to the needs of clients seeking various services, all while delegating the actual tasks to skilled professionals. This approach not only leverages the skills of others, but also allows you to focus on managing your business and maximizing your profits. The beauty of this business model lies in its simplicity and efficiency. You don't need to spend years learning a new skill or invest in expensive training programs. Instead, you can start immediately, offering services that are always in demand. By strategically positioning yourself as a service provider, you can attract clients who are willing to pay top dollar while outsourcing the actual work to qualified freelancers at a lower cost. This method enables you to pocket the difference, creating a lucrative income stream with minimal effort. How do you do this? You're essentially going to start up a freelance agency where you sell services to clients at a higher price than what you pay freelancers to complete the work. Basically, you become the middleman, ensuring that the job gets done while making a profit. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of starting a freelancing business like this, from setting up your agency to finding clients and outsourcing work. And at the end of this video, I'm also going to give you an extra bonus tip that is really going to set you up for success, so make sure to stay for that. Now let's get into it. Step 1, identify your niche and services. The very first thing that you need to do is decide what services your freelance agency will offer. The key here is to choose services that are in high demand and that you can easily outsource. Some examples of services you could offer are graphic design, web development, content writing, SEO services, social media management, virtual assistants, video editing, digital marketing, translation services, or data entry. These services are highly sought after, and there is a plethora of freelancers available who can deliver quality work in these areas. It can be helpful to choose a niche with services you find interesting. If you want to get ideas for the types of services you might like to offer, you can go and type each of these services into the search bar on Fiverr, for example, and look at the types of gigs that pop up. Read through the different gigs and see what exactly it is that these other sellers are offering to see if you would be interested in offering that type of service as well. It is also helpful to look for services where you could charge a good amount for the higher tier packages. When you browse freelancing sites like Fiverr, you will see options for purchasing these services for as little as $5 or $10. But you will also see when you click on specific gigs that most of the sellers have very cheap initial services with more elaborate higher ticket packages related to the same service. These more in-depth packages are where you're going to make your money. And since you'll be creating your agency to be cohesive and well-branded, which you'll be able to do with the help of AI tools, your offerings are going to stand out from the competition and you'll be able to charge more for them. When you're choosing your niche, remember that focusing on one niche allows you to establish authority and build credibility in that area. By selecting one of these services to specialize in, you can concentrate your efforts on becoming an expert in that niche. This specialization not only helps you stand out in a crowded market, but also allows you to deliver higher quality services, attracting more clients and establishing a strong reputation in your chosen field. Step 2, set up your freelance agency. To set up your freelance agency, start by creating a business name and brand. There are 2 great AI tools you can use to do this easily in just minutes. First, you can either use Namelix AI or ChatGPT to come up with company name ideas. Simply input the type of business you will be starting and the AI will come up with name ideas for you. Then once you've chosen a catchy business name, you can use Zarla to create your logo. I'll put the link to Zarla's free logo maker down in the description. You'll simply click to the website, enter your company name, which you've just created using Namelix or ChatGPT, and then wait for Zarla's AI tool to create branded logos for you to choose from. When you get more established as a business, you'll want to create a custom standalone website showcasing your services, which will include a portfolio of the work you've delivered to clients. But when you're just starting out, you can simply create a profile on a freelancing platform such as Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, or Guru. Create a compelling profile that showcases your agency, highlights your services, and uses keywords that potential clients are searching for. There are a few important details you'll want to make sure you have in place when setting up your profile on a website like Fiverr. I'll use Fiverr as an example, but you can do the same for other freelancing websites. First, you want to create a variety of gig listings within your niche. So if you've chosen the graphic design niche, for instance, you'll want to fill your profile with a variety of different gigs related to this niche. One gig can be for creating logos, another for creating business cards, another for brochures, another for social media graphics, and so on. You can take a cue from other Fiverr sellers in your niche with this. Look at their profiles and all the gigs they offer and consider creating similar gigs for your own profile. The second thing you'll want to make sure you have for your freelancing profile is a cohesive set of graphics for all of your gigs. You want your profile to look like it is very put together and professional with branded colors. To do this easily, you can go to Canva and sign up for a free account. I'll put the link in the description for you to do this. Canva has many different image templates you can choose from. Gig listings on Fiverr are about the size of a YouTube thumbnail, so what you can do is go to Canva and search for YouTube thumbnail and scroll through and find one that looks good to you, with colors that you would like to be your branded colors for your company. Simply use the templates you find to create the gig listing photos so that everything you post on your profile looks consistent and good together. The third thing you'll want to make sure you do as you're setting up your freelancing profile is to use relevant keywords in your profile description and listing descriptions. If you're starting in the graphic design niche, use keywords of services that clients will be searching for related to graphic design. To come up with a list of relevant keywords, you can go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a list of 50 relevant keywords to use when offering different graphic design services on Fiverr. Or if you're offering a different service, obviously ask it to offer you keywords related to that service. This will give you a good starting point for what types of keywords you'll want to put in your profile and listings. You can also look at other freelancers' profiles to see what keywords they are using and use those same keywords in your profile and listings. Step 3, find clients. Finding clients is crucial to your agency's success. Start by optimizing your profiles on freelance platforms with relevant keywords and a professional tone. Use those high-quality images and write detailed descriptions of your services. You can wait for clients to find you via search, or you can also actively bid on projects that match your services using ChatGPT to help you write personalized proposals that address the client's needs and explain how your agency can solve their problems. Beyond freelance platforms, you can also use social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram to network and market your services. You can join groups and forums related to your niche and engage with potential clients by offering valuable insights and advice. This multifaceted approach can help you build a client base and establish your agency in the market. Remember, you can start out simple and add new things as you build. It's very easy when you're just getting started to create a profile on Fiverr, for instance, and create a variety of gigs offering your services to clients. That's as simple as it gets and a great place to start. You can start making money right away using that strategy. Then once you've gotten your feet wet and have begun to serve more and more clients, you can find that you're ready to expand your business by building a custom website and social media profiles. Step 4, outsource the work. Once you land a project, the next step is to find freelancers who can complete the work at a lower cost than what you've charged the client. Start by searching for freelancers also on Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Look for freelancers with good reviews, reasonable rates, and a portfolio that matches your quality standards. Negotiate the rates with freelancers to ensure you can maintain a profit margin, and be clear about the project requirements, deadlines, and payment terms. Over time, you will begin to build a network of reliable freelancers so you can quickly find the right person for the job and ensure consistent quality in the work delivered. Step 5, manage projects efficiently. Managing multiple projects can be challenging, but with the right tools and strategies, you can ensure smooth operations. You can use project management tools like Trello, Asana, or Monday.com to manage tasks, deadlines, and communication with freelancers and clients. Clear communication is key to avoiding misunderstandings, so make sure you provide detailed project requirements to your freelancers and keep your clients updated on progress. Before delivering the final work to your clients, review it thoroughly to ensure it meets their requirements. Make any necessary revisions and ensure the quality is top-notch. Efficient project management will help you maintain client satisfaction and build a reputation for reliability. Step 6. Scale your business. As you gain more experience and build a reputation, you can start scaling your business. Gradually increase your rates as your agency becomes more established, as higher rates can attract higher quality clients and allow you to earn more for your services. Consider adding more services to your portfolio, which can attract a broader range of clients and open up more revenue streams. As your business grows, you might need to hire additional staff to manage projects, handle client communication, and perform administrative tasks. Scaling your business requires strategic planning and continuous improvement, but it can lead to significant growth and success. Those are the 6 essential steps, and now as promised, I'm going to fill you in on an extra special bonus tip that is really going to set you up for success in this type of business, and that is to build strong relationships with your freelancers. This method that I've shown you is an incredible opportunity to be able to run a successful freelancing business without needing to have any of the skills or do any of the work yourself. And to do this successfully, you'll want to develop strong, reliable relationships with the freelancers you hire. Consistently working with a select group of trusted freelancers can significantly improve the quality and reliability of the work you deliver to clients. To build these relationships, you want to communicate clearly and professionally, pay promptly, and show appreciation for the work they do for you. Over time, these freelancers will become more invested in your projects and may even prioritize your work over others. This mutual trust and respect can lead to better outcomes and fewer issues, ultimately enhancing the reputation and efficiency of your agency. Now, if you're interested in learning 5 ways that you can make money on Fiverr using AI tools, be sure to watch that video here on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video.